Here I've got the ATI TAC-PX2. Let's open it up. There's a manual here. Here's the buttstock and the receiver, also the shell tube and the pump. Looks like it comes with the barrel uninstalled. Here's our barrel. Very plain. This is 12 gauge 3-inch there. Alright, let's go ahead and install the barrel. So move this out of the way first. Screw off this end cap here. I'm just going to pull out on that a little bit. Slide the barrel in. See, it'll notch with the bolt there, and they both should go in together. And I think we've got it. Now let's test it real quick. Yep. We'll just screw this end piece back on. Alright, there we go.